Good evening friends, Swastik here, back again with the market update. So before starting that, I will request you to kindly subscribe my channel, Swastik Upadhyay. You can search it in the YouTube by typing the name. I regularly give update for the market actually for the next day, and I have been uploading the video since few days now. So this helps actually, and I also give some trade ideas time to time. Sorry. So now let's start the market and see what it has store for us for tomorrow and this week also. So see, as we can see, let me just zoom in the chart. Yes, as we can see, market has tried twice to to bounce back from this. Once it has done it on 5th August, see it has gone up, and again it has touched, came down, and again from here it has gone up. So we can think that 11,100 will be a good support for the market, and moreover market has started to trend now. We can see from 20th August till 28th August market has been making daily new highs and closing, so that is a very good indicator of a bullish market actually. Sorry. So by keeping that view in mind, we can say that market has given a good breakout in the upside, and it will definitely be moving up in the coming days if no bad news or something has come in the market. So, and for the resistance level, I will rather go a bit back, and I'll try to find out from which level the market had fallen actually. So if we go a bit back, we can see that the market has started to fall. Just give me a moment, I can show this. Yes, this level, this level you can see now. Wait, let me put a mark that will make it clear actually. So that's it, horizontal line. Sorry, yes, this one is the level. Yes, let's just zoom in this part only for our knowing purpose. See, this was the place. From here the market has started to fall because of corona reason on 24th February, you can see, and it was a free fall from there. So we can expect that market to be filling up this gap before going making any other move. So I will say rather for this week 11,100 till 12,056 will be a very good range for the market for this week. And the way the market is moving up, I don't feel that this won't be touched. I mean the 12,000, we might see 12,000 touching this week only. Let's see the moving average and try to find out where it is now. The moving average is at 11,418, which also is a very crucial number actually. So we can keep this figure also in mind, 11,418. Let's see the option chain for the 3rd September and try to find out what is stored there. If we see the put side in the option chain, we can see the highest open interest is at 11,500 levels, and after that it is at 11,600 levels. So again I will be saying 11,500 will be playing a very strong support in the market in the put side. And in the call side, if we see, it's at 12,000 has the highest OI available for us. After that we can see the highest OI at 11,800. So yes, 11,800 12,000 will be very crucial for this market in the coming week. And if we see the option pain for this week, it's at 11,600. So there's a big fight in 11,600 actually in the market. So that will be very interesting for the market in the coming week to see what is there in it. I have also found out two good share for us to trade actually. One will be Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries has consolidated a bit in this range now. Just a moment. Yes, this range we can see from here till here. Sorry. Yes. Yes, this is a very narrow range, though you can see Reliance has, I mean in last few days, I mean last 7-8 days, if we see, all Reliance has tried to consolidate in this range only. So any breakout of this range, we can expect a big move in the Reliance. And if we see the range, it's 2150 and 2075 will be a good range for Reliance. So we have to check out. And moreover, Reliance has come up with a news also with Future Retail that they have bought that. So this also might play a very crucial role tomorrow. So we will have to wait and watch tomorrow and see where the Reliance goes. And moving average for the 11th day of the Reliance, yes, it's supporting the moving average also. 2106 is the moving average. So tomorrow only we might see something happening in Reliance. So Reliance should be kept a close look actually for tomorrow, and for this month also, rather I will say, if this range is broken. And the next is mine, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Yeah, here is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Look at the Kotak Mahindra Bank daily chart. It has given a very good breakout, I will say to you people. See, it was in this range. This moment, yes. See the range. See the beautiful range which Kotak has broken. Actually, it has given a very good breakout. Actually, so this was the range of the Kotak, and it has gone above this. So it is a very good breakout which has come in Kotak Mahindra Bank. And moreover, Bank Nifty has not performed as far as Nifty. Nifty is just, if I am not mistaken, 7% below from its high of 12,042, if I am not mistaken by the number, whereas Bank Nifty has much more distance to cover to reach its high, which it has done actually. So if Bank Nifty moves up, and the way the market is trending up, actually we can expect in this coming week Bank Nifty to perform. And if Bank Nifty performs good, then definitely Kotak Bank also have to give support to Bank Nifty. So by seeing these, we can see, and it has given a good breakout. Actually, you can see, keeping a stop loss of 1400, we can trade in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Rather, I will take a credit strategy in that. Maybe I will sell 1400 put, and I'll buy some 1360 or 1380s put actually. So I will, if I take any kind of trade in Kotak Bank, then I will definitely share with you also. So that's it for the day, friends. Do keep supporting me. I hope these videos are helping you out. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Have a good day.